pollution in North Vancouver.
Hello, and welcome to my video on North Vancouver pollution. Here we are at a site where this used to be a local dump. As you can see, the water here is very orange, almost like a metallic rust color. Now, if we dig deeper, we'll know how this came to be. So this water has a very high content of iron and other metallic materials. Due to the buildup of metals over the time the dump has been here, metals have risen, and then other bacteria and the oxygen in the air have created iron rust-looking color. As you can see, everything in this area is coated in it. So all the plants, vegetation, rocks along the riverbed are going to be coated in this rust color. This is very hard to clean up, as it is very slimy and very sticky to the rocks. So with an effort of cleanup, you can use different, maybe possibly enzymes to decompose the rust. We could use scrubbing materials and different sorts of counteractive chemicals to reduce the color and reduce the content and the harmful effect it has on our ecosystem. As you can see here, this water is much clearer than the water contrasting it. This water contains fish, bugs, any other sorts of life. Fish migrate up this stream, spawn here occasionally. It's a great spot. As we see over here, even though the water is extremely shallow, we realize that no wildlife would be able to sustain an environment in this water due to the high content of rust, and also the plants are being coated in this rust, this toxic, harmful material, and they are not being able to produce what they usually do and to sustain life.
This photo shows a direct impact of pollution. The oil drum is blocking the mother from feeding her young child, which ultimately ends up in the young child dying from starvation. This is an example of indirect pollution. The salmon is attempting to swim upstream to spawn. The rusty, murky water is going to poison the salmon's skin and poison the entire body of the salmon due to the high content of metals. This salmon will also affect the trophic level of the ecosystem due to the fact that its population will decline. Therefore, the continuous populations of other species will also decline in the meantime.